people of YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and welcome back to another episode of The Build Tonight. It's me, TJ, here once again with an awesome, exciting unboxing for you guys today. I have been waiting so long for this to come out. It is, of course, the Neta Quest 3, the highly anticipated sequel to the Quest 2, and it has just been packed with tons of significant, cool upgrades. So let's dive right into it. Let's see what Neta has included in the box with this new Quest 3. Here it is, guys. We took off the sleeve, and here's the Neta Quest 3 box itself. Let's open her up and see what it looks like. Alright, here we go, guys. Upon first glance, we are greeted with the redesigned haptic controllers, which I believe they are calling the Touch Pro controller, Touch Plus, something like that. Oh god, just upon first impressions, guys, these feel so much better in the hand. I was afraid because it didn't have the rear ring around it. I was afraid it might feel too different. But no, it's different in a good way, though. They feel great in the hand. Much more ergonomic. Love it. So they, of course, come with the straps pre-installed, which is, of course, ideal. So you don't fly something into your window or TV. And, of course, you have this one. And you have, before we get to the highlight itself, let's go ahead and check out this little section here. I know it's where they're keeping the, oh, come on. I know we can do it. So I know in here is where they're keeping the charger and stuff. It's not coming out though, cuz. Well, leave it to Neta. Okay, let's get to the highlight then. We don't need to see the charger. You guys want to see the highlight. This is it. Look at that. She's definitely redesigned. You got the pancake lenses right here. You got, this I believe is, yeah, this is the adjuster for the focus, excuse me, for the range of view, field of view, whatever. Of course, this is, I believe, your power button. You got some cameras there. You got the new depth sensors. You got some little cameras on the front, but of course these new sensors and cameras allow for the new color pass-through and depth sensing capability. So it's so realistic. It's literally mapping the world around you as you're using it. It's just so cool, guys. Such a massive upgrade from the Quest 2. This might be a power button then. So this is of course where you charge it right here. And it just looks fantastic. It's very lightweight. It feels lightweight as it should. You don't want something that feels too heavy or bulky on your head. New another logo right there. And of course, keep in mind, guys, to switch out of different views. Like if you want to go back to a fully immersed experience, or if you want to go into the pass-through mode. I don't know what side of the headset it is, but I know you can now just double tap on these sides, somewhere over here, and it does that automatically, which is so cool. Neta really put a lot of thought into the physical design and the software this time around, which I think is really nice. With that being said, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. This is a very quick unboxing, but very exciting for me at least. I am absolutely stoked. I'll see if I can actually get that other stuff out too real quick. Of course, Neta made that compartment really difficult to get out, but I finally got it out. This is just the USB-C charger brick. Nothing really special about that. of course, your USB-C cable that, of course, comes included, and some documentation. So with that being said, guys, that has been my full review, my full unboxing of this Quest 3. I will be doing a full review very soon. I can't even talk, guys. I'm so stoked to dive into this. You can probably tell it has been such a long time coming for this. And I am stoked to see for myself how NUGGA has done with this. So I will be doing a full testing and putting it through its paces as I do with all my tech products. And I'll be doing a full review very soon. And until then, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube or on TikTok. Until next time, guys, peace out for now.